Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for headphones NICEBOY Hive Sport 2. To make hard reset, press and hold plus button and minus button for at least 5-10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps and the light start flashing. Here we go. Now delete these headphones and connect it again. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!